Hello everyone. Today I am here to explain our work. Our objective was to build a ceiling fan applying the concept of ambient intelligence, which will ensure the efficient power consumption. The outcome of this research has saved 17% of electricity in a night, and no electricity has been consumed in the absence of people. Most of the cases, it is observed that the fans run unnecessarily in public places. Suppose there are 50 fans in a ceiling, but people are sitting under only 20 fans. The remaining 30 fans are consuming electricity power without any purpose, which is a misuse of power. To reduce the power misuse, we try to build such a ceiling fan which will run when the people remains under the fan in warm weather. To build this project, we have looked after many paper. Some of those are mentioned here. Let's go to our execution step. If we zoom in, here is the uh, our flowchart of our execution process. At first, the system takes people presence, then it checks if the people stays or not. If the people stays, then it's go to a further step. If not stays, then it go back to people presence. Suppose let's see the people stays, then the system will start the fan and set the speed to taking by taking the temperature. Then it take the people presence for a longer time, and if the previous people stays, if he stays, then it starts the fan and said adjust the speed, or if fan was already started, it keep the fan running, then it go back uh, to taking people present step. If the people not stays for longer, uh, it go to check for a minimum people presence requirement. If it's filled up, then it go back to take people presence again. If not, then it go to the beginning of those steps. After doing this execution, we did some analysis and got few results. Let's have a look on it. We have took temperature log in a night of a night. It was started at 8:12 p.m. and ended at 5:24 a.m. Here is the power chart. If speed is 3, then power consumption will be 29.757. There are many more. Based on the temperature log, we got 11.88 hour in one night, and the power consumed 665.86 watt hour. If we convert the watt hour to kilowatt hour, it will be 0.67 kilowatt hour. In that night, if a normal fan runs in that place, then the power consumption will be 0.81 kilowatt hour. So we saved 0.14 kilowatt hour. In percentage, uh, the saved power is 17.28%. The system can reduce 70% of power in one night by controlling speed based on the temperature, and save whole power by keeping shut off the fan during the absence of the people, which can be very helpful to poor countries as they have power scarcity for the lack of infrastructure. So it is all for today. Have a good day.